Hi everyone, Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. So, I was just editing some new videos. Uh, so, I just wanted to know whether you all are liking what do you call that? The Lent recipes that I'm putting up. So, I've got a lot of comments that they're really appreciating all these recipes because I know that mostly in Goan homes, uh, mostly when it comes to vegetarian food, it's mostly just some boiled vegetable with a little bit of coconut and salt. So I've been getting so many comments that Akshata, we're really enjoying this series. We never knew that there were so many vegetarian recipes that we can make, and they're so simple. Some of them don't have any ginger, garlic, onions, just some few masalas, and it's all ready. So, well, I know many of you only eat veg and don't eat non-veg at all. So for me, I eat fish, I eat eggs. I mean, I've always been doing that. My parents also used to have fish and eggs along with vegetable. We used to abstain from meat. So I continue that, but I know many of you are strictly eating only veg. That's why, in the heading I've always been putting pure vegetarian. If it's not, then I write fish or I write eggs, so then you come to know. So there are a lot more videos coming up since we have still a whole month to go through with Lent. And I'm also including, very light recipes because at my home in the afternoon we like to have like a good meal, but in the evening it's always a light snack, like some instant dosas or some uttapas or some idli, something very light. Uh, which because it's like now the weather also is changing. Like today is a little bit cool over here, but otherwise in Mumbai, but otherwise it's a little bit hot and sunny, and you don't want to eat something heavy. So I am including a little bit of snack items, a little bit of sweet because everyone craves a little bit of sweet here and there. So I hope you are enjoying this series, and do let me know if you're looking for any recipes in particular. You can write to me. My email address also is there. So today is a Sunday. I just went to the fish market to get some prawns and surmai because that's mostly what we eat. And just sitting on a Sunday, just doing some editing on my computer. So I said I'll just talk to you all for 5 minutes. So take care of yourselves, guys, and enjoy the videos coming up. Let me know any particular request, and I'll catch you soon.